Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Agaricus muscaris. Its common name is toadstool and bug agaric. We are dealing with the part 1 general overview series, and this remedy has been reviewed from Ellen's keynote, and this is especially most appropriate for the students who are pursuing their studies in second, third, and fourth BHMS. So let us go ahead, friends. The remedy profile is it is a deep acting polycrest remedy. Its kingdom is it belongs to plant kingdom, natural order. It is a plant belonging to natural order of fungi. The habitat, it is widely distributed in parts of Europe, America, and Asia. The preparation is triturations of the carefully dried up cup or tincture of the fresh fungus is prepared. This remedy was proved by Dr. Staff, a disciple of Hahnemann, and 2 years later on by Hahnemann himself. Later on, this was reproved by Austrian Society in 1869. The affinity aspect is the organ tissue affinity of this remedy includes the spinal cord, nerves, heart, circulation, occiput, lumbosacral region. The lateral affinity is very special of this remedy. It has got a diagonal affections. Upper left and lower right side of the body is affected. The thermal affinity, this remedy is a chilly remedy. The constitutional components, somatic predilectation is person with light hair, skin and lax muscle. The old people with weak and indolent circulation, children who are late in learning to walk and talk, and nervous girls prior to puberty. The psychic preponderance includes the temperament is nervous type, the mental aspect is silly boys and girls say foolish things, sing and whistle at inopportune time, changeable disposition. The causation, its diathesis is a tubercular diathesis, and elements from suppressed eruptions cause epilepsy, sexual excess cause spinal irritation, alcoholic debauch, exposure to frost results in all its consequences, sun, fright, and excitement, coffee drinkers. The characteristics of this remedy include involuntary movements, trembling, twitching, and jerking. Twitching ceases during sleep. Sensation as if ice needles were piercing the skin. Uncertainty in walking. Patient stumbles. Pains, sore, aching in lumbosacral region. Burning, itching, redness of various parts. A single vertebra is sensitive to touch, but then please remember that the whole vertebral column is very sensitive. Prolapsus, post-climatic period, intolerable bearing down sensation is there, delirium with constant raving, food and drinks, desire salt, salty things, eggs, aversion to bread, meat, and wine. The food aggravates is especially cold food and drinks. Let us go to the relationship. It is similar to Actia racemosa, calendula, cannabis indica, hyoscyamus, calyphos, lachesis, nux vomica, opium, stramonium. In delirium of alcoholism and mygale, theridium, zincum in chorea. Relationship, this remedy is great antidote to alcoholic beverages. This remedy follows well after belladonna, calcarea, myrrh, opium, pulsatilla, rustock, silicea. Belladonna remedy precedes well. Belladonna, calcarea, cuprum, myrrh, opium, pulse, rust, silicea, and tarantula hispania. General modalities include aggravation after eating, after coitus, cold air, mental application before a thunderstorm. Worse, pressure on dorsal spine, which causes involuntary laughter. Amelioration is by moving about slowly. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy is itch and neurotic affections. Neurotic means hysterical affections point to psoric miasmatic trait. Alcoholic tendency points to syphilitic miasmatic trait, and therefore our impression about this remedy is that agaricus has soro-syphilitic mixed miasmatic preponderance. In other words, we can call it pseudosora. The posology, the doses 3rd to 30th and 200 potency is most suitable according to the Boric. In skin affections and brain exhaustion, give the lowest attenuation according to Boric. In mental and spinal condition, 30 and higher potencies by K and Mathur. Repetition. It bears repetition in acute diseases very well, and duration of action is 40 days according to Clark. The clinical application is in the areas like headache of drunkards, typhoid delirium, chilblains, chorea, Parkinson's disease, tabes dorsalis, lumbosacral pain, neurasthenia, prolapse uterus during menopause. Thank you friends for patient listening.